Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Today I'd like to share a very useful tip on how to store lime when you have excess lime at home. But before that, like I always say, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my updates. As you guys know, I just returned from vacation and thus I have a bulky stock of desi lime at home. Roll lime on a flat surface so that its texture softens. Next, cut lime into halves and start squeezing the rich pulp onto your bowl. You can use a lime squeezer to squeeze out the pulp, but I prefer hands over the lime squeezer. Make sure you are using a clean bowl and there is no moisture in it. By following this method, you can store lime for a very long period. You can make lime juice, mojitos, salad dressings and so many other stuff out of this lime pulp. Don't throw away the lemon peels. There are a lot of things that you can do with these peels. I'll come up with another video with all the hacks and benefits of these lemon peels soon. So stay tuned. We've almost finished extracting pulp. Now next, let's store it. You'll need a clean glass jar, wash it thoroughly and dry it under direct sunlight. You can either use a strainer or a slotted spoon to strain all the seeds from the pulp. Next, transfer all this rich pulp into your glass jar and toss it into your refrigerator. I hope you found this tip useful and you'll try it as well. Follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.